Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our Volvo D4 S80 finished in silver. Lovely car this. Just come in and going up for sale, as you can see. Finished in this really nice silver. Got a really nice service history. Cam belt's been done on this, which is helpful. Let's have a look in the boot. Nice big boot on these. Quite a rare car these days, these ones, aren't they? It's really nice condition though. Black leather seats. You got electric memory seats on this. It does have the nav, 73,900 odd miles in the automatic with the heated seats. It does, as I say, it has nav as well. It's got everything you need. Just overall nice bright car for those Volvo lovers out there. Yeah, so we do take part exchanges, we offer finance. You give us a call on 01244 570 814 or go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk where the full specification of the vehicle will be available, and obviously on Auto Trader. Thanks for looking.